up on the blacktop, hot stop, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you a very mini Ulta haul. I haven't been buying much. I'm trying hard to wait until my birthday, which I have been so not under control recently that I may not even have anything left to buy. Let's be honest. Who am I kidding here? Right? But anyways, what I bought at Ulta was hot buys mostly, some things on sale, but all with points. So all those points I was going to save for my birthday, yeah, not so much. So here's my little bitty box, and I will go through and just kind of tell you a little bit about the things I chose and why I bought them. Some are things that I bought as backups for things that I already know that I love, and some things are new to me that I'm just now getting ready to try. So let's get after it. Before we get started with the video, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my YouTube family and stick around for a while. Yeah, this is a cool spot, in case you didn't already know that. Let's get into what I bought at Ulta. Alright, first is a backup for something that I already bought that I've been using for a while that I really like. And this is the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Setting Spray, or Fixing Spray is what it says. Whenever I went in to buy some other items, I saw that these were buy one, get one half off, and so I knew I liked this. This was actually just like to get the second item for half off. I have been using this and I really like it. It does keep things in place. It's very minimally illuminating, where it does give you a nice little glow or a little dewiness, but it's not overwhelming or overpowering. So no glitter, no sheen, just a little bit of dewiness. Knocks the powder off. So this is good if you haven't tried it already. The other Makeup Revolution products that I bought were, first of all, and I don't even know what this is called, Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. And I will show you here that I have 3. And why do I have 3? Because I ordered F4, just on a guess, entirely too light. So when I ordered the second 2, I thought, well, I'm just going to order the next 2 up, because chances are one of them will work, at least one of them will work, and maybe both of them, because my skin color is kind of changing right now because we're going from spring into summer and I'm getting more sun on my face, and so I'm getting some color. And so, yeah. Anyways, let me show you the texture of these. These are kind of a dewy foundation. I have it on today, and you know, it just doesn't look very smooth in person. I have to try it with some different primers and do all the stuff that you normally do when you're kind of trying something out. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I have been told that it's kind of a dupe for the Anastasia stick foundations, but I got several colors, and I don't know if these will be true to color on my video, where I can kind of give you an idea of what they look like to help you pick out your shade. This is F4, which looks super light because it is. And this is F5, which is a little deeper. And this is F6, which is just not necessarily, it's actually lighter, but a different tone. How in the world is what I'm saying? How in the world are you supposed to know if F6 is lighter and more yellow and this is more pinky? It's one of those things that I would probably suggest trying out, like going to the store and looking at swatches and that sort of thing. But mixed together, I got a color to match myself, so it's not a waste of money. But I would probably check it out, or listen to somebody else talk about this that kind of has a similar skin tone to yours and see what shade they use. So I'm going to mix these all together and just kind of show you the finish on my hand. I'm not sure how well it'll come through, but it does have really good coverage. I may have used too much whenever I was putting it on this morning. I was trying to put on enough to match the color, but it's good coverage. It's a little bit dewy. If you set it with any kind of powder, that's going to knock some of the dewiness off, but it's a really pretty finish. It's kind of a satin finish, and I always set my powder, so I don't really know what it's like unset, but I don't know. I've been trying to find a stick foundation for a long time just because it's easy. It did blend out really nicely with the beauty sponge. I used the flower sponge. Blended out just perfectly. It was so quick and easy to get on, and that's really the reason why I wanted it. Something to take a little bit of time off of how long it takes me to get ready, which is entirely too long. But you guys can tell me what you think about how it looks. I think the camera kind of blurs things out a little bit. Just the lighting and everything. My skin always kind of looks a little bit better on camera than it does in person. But anyway, the one thing I did notice particularly is that even with Professional, I can really see my pores. So I guess it kind of sinks in. And I don't know how to prevent that. If Professional doesn't prevent it, I don't really know what would. So I'm going to keep working with it. We'll see what comes of it. I just got through filming another video, and I said, you know, I never really returned to tell you how I feel about things that I've used. And so I've got to get better about that. And let me know if that's something you're interested in. If I do a haul, are you interested in me returning and telling you about what I bought and how I've been liking it? I know Nikki Murphy does a video series called I Hauled It, but did I like it? I've heard some people say, you know, haul, return to my haul. I've seen people say haul updates. You know, you just let me know if you like those kind of videos. I really like to watch them because I like to see what people got, but I more so like to see what people thought of those things. So let me know in the comments what you think about that situation, and we'll move on to the next product. All right, so for the last Makeup Revolution thing that I got the Focus and Fix Eyebrow Shaping Kit. And I don't really need a new eyebrow shaping kit because I really like my Brow Envy by Too Faced. But I never branch out. Never, never. It has been one of those kind of days. A Murphy's Law kind of day. And I've had a lot of those lately, so I'm sorry that you have to hear about it all the time. Alright, the last Makeup Revolution thing I got was Focus and Fix Eyebrow Shaping Kit. And this is what it looks like inside. I got the light medium. Dark never works for me. But it's got 3 powders and a wax. Oh, blind you. And it also comes with a little tiny brush and a little itty bitty pair of tweezers. How cute. Anyways, I used it today, and I like the color of the powders. They're a little bit different than the Brow Envy that I ordinarily use, but the powders were nice, and my eyebrows are still here, so it set them, and I think they look good. What do you think? You think they look good? So this is a really nice, you know, comparison to this ginormous thing. So if there was a travel situation, this would obviously be a better choice as far as conserving space. So yeah, those are all the Makeup Revolution things that I got. I just really, on top of wanting to try this foundation, I've just been kind of wanting to try some more Makeup Revolution products. I have tried many in the past, and I do have some highlighters. I have a couple palettes. You know, I've tried some of their stuff, and I have been pretty impressed with most of it. So let me know if you want me to come back and tell you more about these things and if I like them. I don't really know how many times I have to say that. You probably heard me the first 2 times. The next thing I got is a backup for something that I like that was a hot buy. It was half price. It's the Tartiste Double Take Eyeliner. And I'm not going to take these out of here because these are backups, and I got 2 because they were half price. But this is one that I got during the Ulta sale. And see, the Ulta sale accomplishes exactly what it sets out to do, which is to give you the chance to use a product that you haven't used before, so in hopes that you'll buy it again. Well, I just did. This would be best for people who use pencil eyeliners as well as brush liquid liners, because obviously you're sharing the amount of product. But I have been using this since forever, and it's still not running out. And so far, I really like this. And this is actually, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is a felt tip. And I ordinarily don't like felt tips, but I use this to fill in when I've used a brush tip to actually do the outline of my eyeliner. And the reason I like this is because it's dark black. I'm wearing it right now. It's dark black, it's very matte, and it stays put. And so I got some backups for that. If you, like I said, you've got both there. If you do tight lining or any of those things, you have that there too. And so maybe I'll give them away to someone who does use those things once the other side's dried up. It's like, here's a half gone, half dried up product for you. Do you want the other side? It's whatever. And finally, I told you this was a mini haul. The Smashbox Primer Waters in scents. I didn't get all of them. I can't even remember what the third one was, but I got the coconut. Let me open them. How cute is that though? The way they have that packaged, all tropical and looking all cute. These were a hot buy and also half price. I don't know if they still are or not. At the time of this video, I'll look and see. I would guess most likely not. This is So Chill Coconut. And I love primer water, and I probably have enough. I really do have enough, but when something has a new scent that I like the scent of, or I think I'm going to, plus Emily Noel said they smelled so good and were so awesome, so you guys already know. All right, I'm going to spray it in the air and see if I can smell it. Oh, this has a really light coconut scent, and oh, I'm just going to spray it on myself. It smells super nice and refreshing, and I think it would be so nice when it's warm. Just that smell is refreshing. But she was like really raving about the way that this other one smelled, called Serene Greens. And I'm glad that she mentioned it, because Serene Greens doesn't sound good to me. And I wouldn't have ordinarily ordered it. And she kind of said, you know, that she couldn't describe what the scent was. So let's see if I can describe what the scent is. And I hope I like it. It smells like grass. There's more. Like there's multiple combined scents. Okay, the next, maybe I should have shaken these, but the next smell had more than just grass. I can't identify it either, but it is a really nice clean, cucumber. It smells like cucumber. It smells like a mix of herbal and cucumber. Like, how many times am I going to spray it? It definitely has a hint of cucumber in it. I'm going to grab my glasses and grab the little container, and let me see if it actually gives you a description. It just says the hydrating 3-in-1 face primer preps, sets, and refreshes both your makeup and your mood. It mists on calming cucumber scent. Look how good I am! To soothe the senses and massage any knot of negative out of the mind. So, I like the way it smells better when I think it smells like a cucumber than I do when I think it smells like grass. So, just saying. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I told you it was really a mini haul, and I meant it because I'm really trying to control myself. Might not look like it, but I really am. But I'm excited. I know I'm going to like these because primer water is just the bomb, and it's one of my holy grail products. I'll continue to work with the Makeup Revolution foundation. I already really like the eyebrow powders, and yeah, I know I like the Tarteist. This is kind of boring, but Anyway, it'll give you an idea for some good products since I've used a lot of them before. So maybe this is kind of a return to a haul, but not really. Anyways, I am a little bit delirious. I have 2 days left. It has been crazy, and I am a little bit delirious, just straight up. I'm not even going to deny it. So the videos that are coming out of my last week of school, when those get posted, just don't mind me. Just don't mind me. Okay? All right. Well, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time so much. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up and for you to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family. We're just awesome, crazy, very cool chicks and dudes too. So yeah, we'd love for you to join us. So let's see. What's the other part of my spiel? Oh yeah. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and when I do a live stream, it's on Wednesday evenings at 6 p.m. Central Time, and I may be throwing in some random ones once summer gets here because, yeah, I'll have time to do that, and that's exciting. So, until next time, guys, take care and God bless. Bye.
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling.
Before we get started with the video, would you please give me, why can't I ever get this down? Before we get started with the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to have... Before we get into the video, please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up before you go. And yeah, I would love it for you to before we get into really if I die young, bury me in clover. Lay me down in a bed of... I don't know the words to that song. Why am I trying to sing it? I don't know. Why are you? Well, we had a major avalanche. I just knocked down everything. Everything.
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in